Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus. So today for your reading, Taurus, we'll be picking few cards for your general energies and for your relationship, guys. So these cards are for your general energies, Taurus, and we'll be picking few more cards for your relationship, and we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Taurus. So these cards are for your relationship, and one more card. Okay, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your daily energies, guys. It's Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Wands in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I hope you can see the cards here, guys, clearly. So with these cards, guys, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, Taurus. Taurus, with these cards, I see that in your situation, you are having some worries, some kind of apprehensions. Something is bothering you, maybe your circumstance in your work situation that may not be something you expected. So there are people you are afraid of. Maybe you feel that you cannot trust them because they are not reliable and they don't have that true concern on you. So these people may be working against you, guys, and maybe also you feel you cannot trust them because they are not putting in efforts like you. So they are not giving those 100% efforts, concentration, using their skills and talents. So they are just doing the work for the namesake of it, and that may be the reason that you are unable to trust them. So you are putting in your best efforts, and the people with you in your work, or it may be the energy in your personal life, so they are not doing enough, you feel. So that again may affect that work potential or how things are going. So you have some kind of worries because of that, and also um, you don't have trust on them, and maybe because of the way they are doing their work, guys. So some kind of what to say, worries about future. So what will be the outcome? So you are afraid of that. So it may be something in your career, maybe regarding some projects or assignments, whatever it is. You don't know what is the future of that. So again, some worries and apprehensions because of that. And you have certain suspicion on people because you feel that they are working against you. So these may be the energy in your career situation, Taurus, or it may be something to do with your personal life, your relationship. So let's see what are these cards we picked for your relationship, guys. So it's call, this is the first card, guys. Call, this is Five of Earth, and Messenger of Water. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, in this relationship, you are you know deep down in this relationship what is the most necessary thing, and what is the motive for you, why you need this connection, why you need this love, and what is the meaning of this relationship. So, if you know that true motive, your intentions, you will be able to proceed in a positive way, guys, in this connection. Maybe for some of you, you have love towards them, you want to know them, you want to understand them, and you are here to express yourself through your actions, love this person, trust them, and have that trust reciprocated. So if that is what you feel is the reason for you being in this connection, things may be going towards that that greater attraction, admiration for each other, and you may be in the time of heightened emotional sensitivity today, guys, Taurus. So you are building that love bit by bit in this connection. So you are trying to build that strong foundation in this love. So maybe you were first in this love for that physical attraction, maybe, but right now you have that desire to understand each other, and you do not have any kind of anger or resentments or fear in this love. So it is the reason for this relationship is love, and you are here for love alone. So that may be the reason that things are going in a very positive way, guys. And maybe you were thinking that this connection in this relationship, there were certain things that you felt that it need to be changed. Maybe you were having some stressful times also in this connection. So during those times you would have felt that this connection may not work, and you have to really try hard. But today, when you look at the truth of what you are feeling and what you are getting out of this love, of this connection, you feel happy, and maybe your attention is growing, guys, the attention you have on this love and this connection, and you are in a state today where you are just realize how things are really a blessing for you in this connection with this person. So this may be your karmic connection, guys. That may be the reason that you feel this way. So great things are waiting for you in this love. That is what I see with this card, Taurus, and that is the reading today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.